So the question is, in the right angle triangle below, if tan theta plus sin theta is equal to 32 by 15 and all sides are whole numbers, find cos theta. Find cos theta. See here, it is more of the approach problem than the trigonometrical part. That is important here. More of the approach problem than the trigonometrical part that is applicable here. So approach or the aptitude problem you call it. Now what happens is, in a right angle triangle, sin theta, in a right angle triangle, sin theta will be equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Now what is opposite? So the angle is theta here, this will be opposite, this will be hypotenuse, and this will be adjacent. Closer to the theta will be, angle will be adjacent, opposite is opposite to that, and hypotenuse, simple English. Cos theta will be equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos theta will be equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan theta will be equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan theta nothing but sin theta divided by cos theta, hypotenuse will get cancelled out, it will be opposite by adjacent. Those who are not clear about it, it is opposite by adjacent. Now what is given us? Tan theta plus sin theta is given us 32 by 15. So tan theta will be opposite by adjacent plus opposite by hypotenuse will be equal to 32 by 15. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent plus sin theta opposite will be equal to 32 by 15. This is where you should not get stuck. So what happens is, the denominator, I am adding two fractions here. This is one fraction, this is another fraction. I am adding two fractions here. The denominator is 15. I am adding two fractions. The denominator is 15. So the denominator is 15. It is nothing but the LCM of two numbers, adjacent hypotenuse. It is nothing but the LCM of two numbers, adjacent hypotenuse. Now, solving our aptitude, I very strongly believe in elimination of possible alternatives. Now, because I will have to find out the LCM of two numbers, I will have to find out for which two numbers the LCM can be 15. For which two numbers the LCM can be 15. So, the possibilities of LCM numbers are 1 and 15, 3 and 15, 5 and 15, 15, 15, and 3 and 5. And 3 and 5. So, these are the 5 possibilities for the LCM to be 15. In a right angle triangle, what happens is, the hypotenuse is always greater than adjacent and hypotenuse. Adjacent and hypotenuse is always greater than any of this. So what happens is, it cannot be equal. So this 15 and 15 are ruled out. 15 and 15 are ruled out. So because the hypotenuse is always greater, I will take the right hand side as the hypotenuse and left hand side as the adjacent. I will take the right hand side as the hypotenuse and left hand side as the adjacent. So what happens is, hypotenuse is 15 and this will be 1. Now when I solve this, the way of solving it, I will have to multiply this with this, this with this. So 15 opposite plus 1 opposite will be equal to 32, or 8 opposite will be equal to 32. So opposite will be equal to 2. Wow. 16 opposite will be equal to 32. Opposite will be equal to 2. Once I get opposite as 2, so the three sides will be 2, 1 and 15. The three sides will be 2, 1, 15. See, we have been given right angle triangle. The right angle triangle property is a square plus b square should be equal to c square. Right angle triangle property is a square plus b square should be equal to c square. That is, this square plus this square should be equal to this square. When you do like this, 2 square plus 1 square is not equal to 15 square. So this is not a right angle triangle. I don't want this. This is not a right angle triangle. I don't want this. In fact, the triangle property is sum of the triangle property is sum of the least two sides should be greater than the third side. Sum of the least two sides should be greater than the third side. So this is not at all a triangle, not to speak of right angle triangle. So this is not at all a triangle, not to speak of a right angle triangle, because the property of a triangle is sum of the least two sides should be greater than the third side. So 2 plus 1 should be greater than 15, only then it is a triangle. Similarly, when I work out for 3 and 15, it will not be a triangle. When I work out for 5 and 15, it will not be a triangle. This is also not a triangle, this is also not a triangle. But when you use 3 and 5, so adjacent will be 3, hypotenuse will be 5. Then working it out, 5 opposite plus 3 opposite will be equal to 32, or 8 opposite will be equal to 32. 8 opposite will be equal to 32 or opposite will be equal to 4. Opposite will be equal to 4. Now we have got three sides. The third side will be 4. Now right angle triangle properties, a square plus b square should be equal to c square. So 4 square plus 3 square is definitely equal to 5 square. 4 square plus 3 square is definitely equal to 5 square. Now what will happen is, they ask for cos theta. So here opposite will be 4. Opposite will be equal to 4. 8 opposite will be equal to 32. So opposite will be equal to 4. Opposite will be equal to 4. Now this is 4 and this is 3. So cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. The answer is 3 by 5. The answer is 3 by 5. Once you are able to understand like this, many of you, by seeing the number 3 and 5, you can presume it to be 4 and you can give the answer as 3, 4, 5. So start doing it logically. Your answers will be easy and faster. Subscribe to my channel, which is free of cost. I will be adding questions every now and then.